Here's how you can add a payment method into your Facebook Business Manager or the ad account. So here's the easy steps to do it. Search for business.facebook.com into your browser. Make sure you have logged into your Facebook account, and here's the page will appear, the business suite. Click on help, then click on go to business manager, then go into click on three lines and click on billing and payments, then go into payment methods. Here you can add a business payment method by which you can manage payments for all of your assets like Facebook API, uh, Facebook page, Instagram account, your app, etc. You can manage everything from the single card that you put on, or if you have multiple ad account into your business manager, you can assign this payment method to every of the ad accounts, so you don't need to add multiple cards into your business manager. You can manage it by a single card by adding a business payment method that works for the whole portfolio, not likely for single ad account. So here you can click on add. So Facebook will ask you some basic information like your country and currency, as well as United Kingdom is selected here. So I'm adding British pound. It's selected, then I'm clicking on next. So here's I have to enter some details of my card like name, card number, expiry, and the CVV. Then Facebook will ask me to enter the OTP that will send maybe sent on my phone or email, or they might ask for the ATM pin as well. So after filling this, you can click on save, and then you can go into your business manager settings and can assign this payment method to any of the asset, or you can assign it to a person as well who can manage ads for you. Thank you for watching the videos. Hope to see you in new videos.